Give us a marker, James.
Ready? Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Drunk on Softwares. We're here with James Ward and the, what are we calling you? The West Coast Correspondent?
That's it. You gotta say that in the mic.
The West Coast Correspondent.
Just like I have to say, you have to say that in the mic. So don't forget to talk into the mic.
Mike. West Coast Correspondent Chet Haase here, reporting from the Flex SDK team, live from Los Angeles, upstairs at the ESPN zone. On my left, I have James Ward.
Hello.
On my right, I have John Rose.
Hi.
And we're here tonight at the ESPN zone talking about Max.
Max 2009. It's been a great show.
It has. It was pretty good. There were good announcements. It was good energy. There was awesome parties that I can't imagine how much they cost.
I liked it. I liked it a lot. I like turtles.
Thank you, John.
My favorite part, though, I want to talk about my favorite part. The Java FX booth. I love that thing. It was amazing. Did you see the demos they were showing in there?
They had videos running. They had like multiple videos running.
Was it
In parallel.
Were they Swifts?
They didn't actually admit to it running on the Flash platform, but I'm sure, if you really asked them a lot of questions with a lot of alcohol, they'd get down to it.
I didn't see Josh Marinacci. I missed him.
Now, I did see some people that I knew from there. Josh was not there, but I did go by the booth. It was small and lightweight, just like Java FX. It was a grassroots marketing campaign, sort of.
Released.
It was good. It was like the Trojan horse in the Max Troy metaphor. I don't know.
Do I have to be a smartass, James, or can I like something real? I like FX Mobile, and I want it now.
Did they announce FX Mobile at this Max conference?
So at the sneaks, they showed FX Mobile running on the iPhone.
I think that was actually Flash Mobile, not FX Mobile.
Sorry. Let me speak in technologies that we've actually heard of. The Flex SDK, the mobile, would mobile SDK be the right term here?
Yeah,
Framework.
Flex Mobile Framework was shown at Sneaks, not FX Mobile, completely different.
Chet, I apologize. I stepped on a nerve there by misspeaking. Yes.
You totally misbranded.
I misbranded. I don't think Java FX doesn't exist in my world, and I know we just got hate mail, but I was thinking of the Flex SDK mobile with screens and things, and effects working. I saw the effects working, Chet.
Animations in the Flex Mobile Framework rocked.
Yes.
How in the world do you make those perform?
You just put the code in, and it works. That's what I'm talking about. It just works.
So I don't want FX mobile, but I do want Flex mobile tomorrow, sometime in 2010.
So do we all. The Sneaks was about early versions of things that people are thinking about and working on, and it looked pretty hot. There was actually like demo apps working and running on devices. It was good.
Can we get you to do voiceovers on the episodes you don't make it to that clarify what we're saying? Because that was quite skilled how you actually explained what we're talking about.
I feel like the voice of marketing coming in and rebranding what you're saying. What John meant to say was that Flex Mobile Framework will be available sometime in the early centuries to come. All right, what would you like to have restated?
I think this is going to be one of those episodes where we overdub Japanese talk into the episode, and then we do English subtitles.
Chet, what did you like at the show?
What did I like? I like seeing the Flash. I don't even know how to message this correctly. Flash applications compiled into native iPhone applications running on the iPhone, available in the App Store. That was pretty awesome. Cross-compiled for iPhone. That was awesome. The sneaks tonight were awesome. There was cool Photoshop stuff. There was Flex Mobile Framework stuff.
Did you see? You don't have the microphone. You can't talk. Did you? No. I had a real question. Do you guys know if the level of the apps demoed at the keynote, or because they can't support better features, or because like the apps were pretty trivial that they showed at the keynote running on the iPhone?
I think the important thing about the apps running was that these are apps actually available in the App Store.
Okay.
Right.
So it can support in the Flash Professional more interesting applications than changing a hairdo.
I can neither comment nor understand anything about this.
Does the iPhone even have applications more interesting than changing the hairdo on a South Park avatar?
Dude, different hairdos rock. I don't know what your problem is. The number one application for months running was a fart application. What do you expect?
I'm supporting different hairdos. We can move on.
Yeah, I'm surprised you're just disappointed with the quality of these applications. Have we seen iPhone applications lately that are better quality than what we saw in the
I
keynote?
don't know anything about the iPhone.
Hey, RIM joined the Open Screen. RIM joined the Open Screen project. That was a great announcement that I think that deserves a mention.
That was pretty rockin'. RIM and Google was the other one that popped up there, right?
And
we saw Mr. Schmidt. Mr. Schmidt was in our video.
And every other mobile vendor CEO not named Steve Jobs lined up to say Flash on mobile is really, really important.
That was a nice move. That was
fighting words.
It was pretty good. So Flash on mobile was pretty huge at the conference. What else was big?
Can I ask this again? Chet, what did you like at the show?
I like seeing the stuff that I'm working on actually like running up on stage and not crashing in a beta 2. That was awesome. So Flash Catalyst, Flash Builder, Flex SDK stuff. That was good. But there was other stuff that was new to the world. What was that?
Cold Fusion 9.
keynotes.
Cold Fusion 9, unreal. I'm so excited about that.
Never mind. I don't want to pick, but
You don't want to pick butt.
I do. That's what I do. Have you not noticed?
Ooh, we're moving on from that
I
topic.
try not to notice.
It's Cold Fusion Enterprise. James, what about the Lifecycle ES2 announcement?
Exciting.
Awesome. How about sessions you went to? I went to an audio session on Audition and some other sound tool.
You didn't.
I did. I went to a session this afternoon on sound tools that are in CS suites, and they rock. They're very cool. I learned stuff that I had never known before. I'm not an audio guy. It was just like something to do.
I went to a session on effects.
Okay, I want to talk about one other thing I saw in the sneaks that I thought was really impressive. They did that thing where you hit a breakpoint in a running application, and then you change code, and you don't recompile, you don't restart.
Edit and continue.
Edit and continue. I mean, first of all, how the fuck do they do that? Second of all, can I say that on my show? I guess I can say whatever I want on my show. Second of all, that was amazing.
It was very cool. It would definitely help things if you didn't have to like rebuild the project every time you say, "Oh, I need a trace statement here to see what's going on," or, I want to change the logic. There's my bug. Yeah, it was very cool. And this was in Flash Builder. It was like some other, version of Flash Builder that Labs took and played around with.
Amazing.
Yes.
What else did you see?
I saw the, what's the guys building the Tesla app? I want to get this right.
That was the Rocky guys.
But what's their company? Round Arch. They're building or attempting to build a 17-inch in-car display, touch display for the Tesla.
17-inch. You're not going to be able to see out the windshield.
There are safety concerns, but the app and the way they're building it and all the issues they're encountering and the things they need Air to do better were extremely interesting. And I hope that we have them on the show so they can explain them. But cool nonetheless to have a touch Air app running in your car that you're.
QNX also had one of those in the. QNX also had one of those in the Prius. Yeah. It was flashlight, so it wasn't as cool, I'm sure, as the Round Arch one.
Dead?
Is Flashlight dead now that we're gonna have Flash 10.1 on mobile devices?
Your flashlights last as long as they have good batteries.
That was James Ward
Got the pun.
cleverly deflecting a question he didn't want to answer.
I wasn't trying to put him on the spot. I was just curious.
We really want to get the full Flash Player 10.1 on mobile devices everywhere.
That was the best thing. That was the other thing I was trying to remember was a lot of very cool demos of 10.1 running on Monday in the keynote, right?
Amazing.
Kevin showing all kinds of stuff running on
It was
10.1.
like full screen video running on Atom netbooks. It was global exception handlers. It was 10.0 is massively increased performance without having to recompile your applications. It was massively decreased memory usage without having to touch your applications.
GPU acceleration for this stuff, because otherwise CPUs on mobile devices can't handle, right? So you've got to access GPU for things like hardware decode. Awesome.
Yeah, 10.1 has some amazing stuff in it for sure. I think betas will be out sometime this year, I think they said, or
Yeah, beta this year, release
someday.
next year, first half.
2000 something.
2000. It was definitely 2007. We can definitely commit to that here at Adobe.
Chet, what'd you think of Avatar?
Avatar looked pretty interesting. I just didn't quite understand why we were watching half the movie, but it was very cool. I mean, I found myself believing in 9-foot tall blue people, and it was in 3D. We're all looking really cool in our 3D glasses.
I love my 3D glasses. I forgot them. I'm going to take them home and wear them every day.
2D or not 2D?
Chet makes a wonderful microphone stand.
More microphones.
I feel so used.
We love you, Chet. We're glad you're here.
I am the West Coast representative, reporting live from ESPN Zone, Los Angeles, downtown, final night of Max. No, it's not.
It is for me.
Well, it's the final night. It still goes on tomorrow.
It's
Day.
still
That
going
still makes
tomorrow.
it the final night. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
Anything else? Are we wrapping up?
I think most of our listeners are either drunk and passed out or. Cheers.
I could add this, that Chet questions the concept behind drunk on software. And so I felt like maybe if we're more brief,
Okay.
where he got kicked out officially.
Okay.
Goodbye.
We're being kicked out. We're wrapping it up. Final drink. Good night, everybody. Bye.